Today I'm going to be talking about my hair care routine for dry, frizzy hair, especially if you have relaxed hair, because my hair is relaxed. This is the shampoo and the conditioner that I use. Elan aloe vera mentholated shampoo and Elan mentholated conditioner, and it has aloe vera in it. I really like this brand shampoo because it has menthol in it. I like things that kind of add a little bit of minty feel, or like a peppermint kind of feel to my hair. I just like my hair feeling cool, and it does the job in a very good way. But this conditioner though is not very moist, like it doesn't make your hair very soft, right? But it's okay. I hate when my hair feels frizzy. It just makes me feel uncomfortable. After washing my hair, I go in with a hair mayonnaise. So hair mayonnaise is not only for natural hair. I use hair mayonnaise for my relaxed hair too. So if you know you have relaxed hair and you're looking towards a very good routine for your dry or your frizzy hair, it's good to incorporate hair mayonnaise in your routine. So what hair mayonnaise does is that it acts like a mask. So it like coats your hair and treats your hair and makes your hair feel smooth, adds moisture to your hair. I just love the feeling of using hair mayonnaise on my hair. After washing, treating my hair with hair mayonnaise and using a conditioner, I then go in with this leave-in conditioner. Well, this is the first time I'm buying this one and I'm not a total fan of it, but as a leave-in conditioner, yeah, it does okay. So I just make sure that I go in with leave-in conditioner to make sure that my hair is further moisturized after washing my hair. Go in with shea butter. So I have shea butter in this. So I use shea butter on my hair to just lock in the moisture of all the treatments that I've done. So I like to use shea butter just so that my hair is not feeling dry anymore. So this is how my hair is. You guys can see, but I know you didn't see it before when it was dry, but this is just how my hair looks now. Like it's less dry. Before it was really dry, but now it is, can you see, it doesn't feel dry anymore. It looks moisturized. So that's like what I do. So after washing my hair and treating with conditioner, hair mayonnaise, I go in with leave-in conditioner, and I also then use shea butter. It acts as something that seals your entire hair together and locks in the entire moisture that your hair is lacking. And whenever I'm done with all that, I mat my hair like you guys just saw, and I make sure to cover my hair with a scarf. So when you cover your hair, it lets your hair just soak in all the moisture and all the treatment that you've given your hair. So you guys can see that my hair is not dry at all. So yeah, pretty much this is what I do to just revive my natural hair. My hair is relaxed, but my hair is also very stubborn. It was on natural hair before, but then I relaxed it. It's easier for me to take care of the hair. So yeah guys, it's just very important to make sure that you're always covering your natural hair. Even if you're on protective hairstyles, you still want to cover your hair with a scarf or with a bonnet, just something to lock in all the moisture that you've given your hair, because you don't want your hair to dry out. You want your hair to lock in all the treatments. You want your hair to be moist. So this is my own go-to hair care routine that prevents my relaxed hair from being frizzy. I hate frizzy hair. I hate when my hair feels dry. It doesn't give me the vibe I'm looking for. And I feel like my hair easily gets dry. So I just do this entire routine whenever I'm feeling that my hair is out of its place or out of what I would like it to look like. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like it, subscribe to my channel. Please, you guys, let me know what you want us to talk about next. Let me know what topics we should discuss. Let me know what you'd like me to talk about on this channel. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Until next time, it's QueenC. and I'll be back with another video.